Hello everyone. Today we solve these type of problems. Find A, B, C. We take A plus 1 by B is equal to 4. This is equation 1. B plus 1 by C is equal to 1. This is equation 2. C plus 1 by A is equal to 3. This is equation 3. Then we'll find A, B, C. Let's check. Solution. A, first we multiply equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. We multiply all these equations. A plus 1 by B into B plus 1 by C into C plus 1 by A is equal to 4 into 1 into 3. Yes. Then first we multiply A plus 1 by B into B plus 1 by C. Okay. See, what is that? A into B, it is AB, plus A into 1 by C, it is A by C, plus 1 by B into B, it is B by B, plus 1 by B into 1 by C, it is 1 by BC. Then into C plus 1 by A is equal to 12. Okay. The next step it is, all these we multiply from here. ABC into AB into C, it is ABC plus AB into 1 by A, AB by A, plus A by C into C, it is AC by C, plus A by SC, plus BC by B, plus B by AB, plus C by BC, plus 1 by ABC is equal to 12. Okay. Then A cancel, C, A, B, all these cancel from numerator and denominator. Then what it is left? ABC plus 1 by ABC plus B plus A plus 1 by C plus C plus 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 12. Okay. Then ABC plus 1 by ABC plus A plus 1 by B, because we know the values of A plus 1 by B. That's why we'll be pairing B plus 1 by C, C plus 1 by A is equal to 12. In equation 1, 2 and 3 we get the result of A plus 1 by B, B plus 1 by C, C plus 1 by A. Okay, let's check. Let's we put all these values. A, B, C plus 1 by A, B, C plus A plus 1 by B is equal to 4. B plus 1 by C is equal to 1. C plus 1 by A is equal to 3. This is equal to 12. Then ABC plus 1 by ABC plus, here it is 8. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8 is equal to 12. Then ABC plus 1 by ABC is equal to 12 minus 8. Then what is that result? ABC plus 1 by ABC is equal to what? 4. Okay. Let ABC is equal to x. We apply here. Then x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Then take it the LCM, it is x. Then here it is x square plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. Then the next step it is x square plus 1 is equal to 4 into x. Then x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 1. Then the discriminant ax is equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. We put all the value. Then x is equal to minus of minus 4 plus minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. Minus minus plus minus 4 square, it is plus 16. Minus 4 into 1 it is 4 divided by 2. X is equal to 4 plus minus 16 minus 4, it is 12 root over divided by 2. Okay. Then the 12 will be split 4 into 3 divided by 2. Then root over of 4 into root over of 3 divided by 2. Because we know root over of AB is equal to root over of A into root over of B. Yes. Then x is equal to here 4 plus minus 4 root over, it is 2 root 3 divided by 2. Then take 2 is common. Okay. Then 2 plus minus root 3 divided by 2. Then 2 cancel. Then what is that the value of x? X is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. Then we take a, b, c is equal to x. Then the value of a, b, c is equal to x is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. Yes. Then what is that the value of a, b, c? The value of a, b, c is equal to 2 plus root 3. And another one is 2 minus root 3. Yes. This is the answer of these questions. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel to see this type of interesting video. Thank you.